What is going on, guys? We are back on the kayak. We're gonna do a little bit of bass fishing today. We are right by the lake we fished just in the last video. We got pretty much the same setup. We're gonna be throwing jerk baits, frogs, and some worms. And yeah. We're gonna start off with the worms since that's what they were into the other day. We'll see if they still want a worm. If not, we'll bounce around on baits and try to figure out what they're biting. If you guys remember from the first video, that guy that was with the ducks, here we go. First cast, little guy. Wow, first cast of the day, that's a good sign. Little half a pound. Little dude, but first fish of the day. First cast of the day, nice little largie to start the day off right. Hopefully there's more of those. Oh my gosh, they're just sitting up in there. That was literally second cast. Try this jerk bait for a sec. Oh, there he is. He is on. First cast with the jerk bait. He doesn't seem very hooked very good. Let's go. Another little guy. There we go. Second fish of the day. Another little guy. Not even a pound probably, but we're catching fish. I mean, first cast with the worm, we caught a fish, and first cast with the jerk bait. So I think those are going to be our two go-to baits today. Little guy. I mean, that guy's probably not even half a pound. We're catching fish, but oh, that is not good for the rod. Oh. All right, we're catching fish, but not the right size. Can you guys see that? Look. Oh, that was crazy. A bass literally just bit the bait right there. Oh my gosh, that was wild. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but literally he just followed it all the way up to the kayak and just bit it, but I didn't set the hook. Here we go. Oh, they just keep getting smaller. Later, buddy. Oh, no way. It missed it. Oh. Finally got one to go for the top water, but he missed. All right, we've been fishing for about 2 hours, give or take. We've caught, I don't know, a handful of fish, nothing crazy big, but we're getting bites, we're having fun. That's what it's all about. I mean, this lake is just gorgeous. You got this little creek that drops into these bigger lakes. I mean, it just looks super cool. But we're gonna eat some lunch, take a little break, get some water in us, and then we'll get back to fishing. See you then. fish. Another little guy. Where are your mothers and fathers? And just another half-pound bass. Looking for the big ones, but only finding the little guys. Release. Not complaining though. The little ones are still fun. Like to see more size, but we're catching fish, so can't complain. Alright, so pretty much ever since we've ate lunch, it's been a struggle. We've only had 1 or 2 bites since then, really. We fished the whole right side of this bank all the way down and around. Got absolutely nothing. So we're gonna come back to the bank we were catching fish on and throw the worm a little more to try to pick up a couple before we call it quits. There we go, we got bit. We're on. Oh, it spit it again. No way, 0 for 2. There we go, 3rd time's a charm. This might be the smallest one of the day. You could put this guy in a fish tank. He's literally the size of my hand. All right, well, I think on that note, if I can get this hook out. There we go. I think you, my friend, are gonna be the last fish of the day, guys. Get it release. Woo. Well, we didn't really get the size of fish we wanted today, but we got a good amount. Probably, I don't know, somewhere around 8 or 9 probably. Nothing huge in size, but still fun to get out here on the water and catch some fish. So if you guys made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.